Mary's boy child Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible say, Mary's birth child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a King was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. When shepherds watch their flocks by night, they see a bright new shining star. They hear a choir sing a song, the music seemed to come from afar. Hark now, hear the angels sing, a King was born today, and man will live forevermore because of Christmas Day. Mary's birth child, Jesus Christ, was born on Christmas Day. For a moment the world was aglow, all the bells rang all their worthies of joy, and louder people shouted, let everyone know there is hope for all to find peace. For a moment the world was aglow, all the bells rang all their worthies of joy, and louder people shouted, let everyone know there is hope for all to find peace. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible say, Mary's